Hey, hey, hey! Welcome to this Clean with Me 2023 video. I am so happy that you stopped by Melinda's Homemaking Life today. We are tackling some messy areas in my home, and we're starting off with laundry first. Y'all know how quick laundry piles up? Well, I'm tackling it today while there's only two loads. After I get my laundry started, I'm heading to my kitchen. So we better jump right in and get going.
You know I want you close, maybe hold your hand a little while. Somehow I know you're gonna be the girl that I'll end up calling my own. We ride around in style, sleeves rolled up, glasses on, and then you make that smile and my heart starts racing when I'm with you. When I'm with you. Can't get enough of this, being with you, it's like never-ending sunshine. Feels like everything stops for a while when we look into each other's eyes. How could I ever let you go now, when you're looking like that? Can't get enough of this, being with you, it's a never-ending sunshine. You got your high heels on, and I'm wearing my worn-out jeans. What could go wrong? Sipping on a beer, sing along to our favorite songs. All I want is you. You make my world spin round and round. Sometimes I don't know what to do, 'cause my heart starts racing when I'm with you. Can't get enough of this, being with you, it's like never-ending sunshine. Feels like everything stops for a while when we look into each other's eyes. How could I ever let you go now, when you're looking like that? Can't get enough of this, being with you is a never-ending sunshine. A never-ending sunshine. You know I want you close.
If you are new to Melinda's Homemaking Life, wanted to introduce myself. I am Melinda and I run this channel, obviously. Here at Melinda's Homemaking Life, we do all things homemaking, whether that is cooking, cleaning, decluttering, organizing. We do like specialty type videos like After Dark Clean with Me, speed cleaning, cleaning motivation in general, you name it. And if a homemaker does it, that's what we do. Including in the summertime, we will be doing canning. We'll be doing growing my garden so that we are being self-preservation and not have to pay so much for all these crazy groceries. We share lots of tips and tricks from things that we've heard that works well, that we try out. Also do some grocery hauls and some meal planning. So would definitely love for you to hit that subscribe button and be a member of my YouTube family here at Melinda's Homemaking Life and share your tips and tricks with us as well. I love the fact that this community all learns together. So we better get back to this Clean with Me video.
Say you think about me, because I'm starting to doubt we will find a way back to each other when you're on the other side of the world. I'm here and I'm waiting, but I know I can't say
We've gotten our kitchen all cleaned up, and now we're moving into the bedroom. We're going to tidy up some messes in here, give it a good once over just to make sure everything is in good shape. And we're going to wrap out this video with some laundry folding motivation. I don't know about you, but I always feel so good by the time I get everything all done and reset. One of the big things I've been working on in 2023 is I went through each room and gave it a deep clean. And now I'm just staying on top of things to make sure that everything stays nice and tidy until spring cleaning starts.
Hey, you're good at making me lose my mind, but I always come around, don't I? And I know sometimes I'm bringing you down, but I always make you smile, don't I? We're like the waves on a big blue stormy sea. Still, you're the one who brings out the best in me. We're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, but then we get back up again. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby, it's never getting boring when we keep aiming for the stars, just you and me. We always get back up again, you and me.
So I wanted to share something funny with you. I don't know if it's funny or not, but I wanted to just chat with you guys for a minute. Are there certain chores in your house that you just do not like to do? For me, one of those things is um, cleaning the showers and the bathtubs. I don't know if it's because I'm short and I end up being like sopping wet by the time I'm all done, or if it's, I don't know what it is, because it's not hard. And there's so many great cleaners out there. It's not like you have to scrub, but for some reason, cleaning the showers and the bathtub is something that I need to force myself to do every single time. Let me know in the comments below, what is the one thing when it comes to cleaning that you do not like to do in your home?
Went for a walk with the stars last night. Did not believe that I would end up right. Lucky endings were not something for me. I drove around all across the land. Thought that I was
starting to wrap up this video. We've gotten everything all cleaned up and just showing how great everything looks, tidied and organized. Just wanted to tell you guys how much I appreciate you following along with this Clean With Me 2023 video. I appreciate your support and I appreciate all of your kind words and the way that you comment on my videos to help my channel grow. The most important thing, don't forget, Jesus loves you. I will see you guys on Sunday with another new video.